When it comes to selling your home, having the right tools can make all of the difference. That's why we've created the Seller Guide, a resource designed to walk you through every step of the process with clarity and confidence. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of what you'll find inside and how to get the most out of it. The Seller Guide is packed with everything you need to know for a smooth and successful home sale. If you're wondering what the selling process will look like, well, navigate to the selling process section for a step-by-step breakdown. Curious about how we'll market your home? The Marketing Your Home section outlines all of the tools and strategies we use to make your home stand out. You'll also find helpful resources like tips for preparing your home for showings, answers to common seller questions, and even a section on how to stay connected throughout the journey. Whether you're looking for advice on choosing the right agent, preparing your home, or understanding the key terms, this guide has it all. It's designed to give you confidence and clarity as you move through the selling process. This guide is here to help you every step of the way. Even if you have questions as you go through it or want to dive deeper into a specific section, don't hesitate to reach out. We're always here to help. Let's work together to make your home selling experience as smooth and successful as possible.